Hi! Welcome back to About Raph. And surprise! I'm back to being a blackhead again. Ang pangit naman pakinggan ng blackhead. Itim na po ulit yung ulo ko, itim na po ulit yung buhok ko. And ang daming nagtatanong sa inyo kung paano ko na-achieve yung gray hair. Well, to tell you guys the truth, hindi po ako nagpasalon. Hindi ako gumamit ng hair dye. Ang ginawa ko lang ay nag-magic. Magic na naibibigay ng produkto na ito. So guys, this is called the Sea Wax. And yes, ito po yung nakapagpakulay ng gray sa aking buhok. Temporary hair colored wax na naaalis gamit ang tubig. Now, I got this sea colored hair wax from rakosme.ph. Mostly, binibenta nila doon yung mga unique products na nag-trending talaga sa Facebook and other social media. Like, nandun yung mga lotions na pag nilagay mo, puputi ka instantly. Meron din sila yung mascara na sobrang nakaka-lengthening ng eyelashes. And yung mga nose lifter na pag sinuot mo, instant nose job. Tapos, of course, meron sila nitong sea colored hair waxes. So, sa kanila, this retails for 550 pesos each. And sea colored hair waxes are available in 5 different colors. Merong ultraviolet, wild red, bold gold, neo blue, and yung ginamit ko before na silver ash. Sea wax colored hair wax adds a head-turning vibrant color to your hair while giving a rock-solid hold. The patented formula is made from a plant-based dyes and naturally occurring waxes and clays that are mild and gentle for all hair and all types of scalps. Sabi din niya dito that it is water-based and will rinse off easily from your hands and hair even without using soap or shampoo. Now, I will tell you na super duper tama yung sinabi niya lahat. Kasi guys, di ba na-try ko na yung silver and it could get messy sa hands mo kasi you will apply it using your hands. Pero when I wash it off, I just wash it off with water. So if tipid ka sa soap, or tipid ka sa shampoo, kahit tubig lang, maaalis na yung kulay nitong sea-colored hair waxes. They actually sent me all colors, but for this demo, gagamitin natin yung blue kasi feeling ko bagay siya sa akin with my look and everything today. Now, this could get messy, so I'm just gonna remove my jacket, gonna remove my swag for a while. Make sure na yung buhok mo is 100% dry. So, I'm just gonna use the help of my hair dryer. Now that our hair is 100% dry, let's go ahead and grab our sea-colored hair wax. Since wax nga siya, hindi lang niya kukulayan ng iyong hair, pero it will make it a little bit hard and easier to manage. So, perfect to sa mga boys na gusto ng instant color sa hair and at the same time naglalagay ng wax. Or sa girls, pwede nyo rin to gamitin. Basta take note na yung magiging effect niya sa hair nyo is parang naglagay kayo ng wax. So, hindi siya magiging super duper fine and soft. Magiging colored siya, titigas, and magiging easier to manage and style. Ito yung kanyang packaging. Meron siyang nakasulat na sea wax. And then, translucent yung kanyang bottle or container. So, you're gonna open the seal and it looks like that. So guys, applying this one, it is advisable that you use your hands na lang. So, it's understandable na it could get pretty messy. 100% made from natural dyes sila. So, it is easy to wash off. So, I'm just gonna spread it sa hands. And then, I'll apply it sa hair just by gliding it like that. Now guys, much better if meron kayong comb. Pero ako kasi wala akong comb dito sa bahay. Hindi talaga kasi ako nagsusuklay. So, okay lang din naman if you wanna brush it with your hands na lang. So, as you can see, after that one application, yung amount na nilagay natin kanina, ganito na yung na-cover niya. So, definitely okay lang din to kung gusto mong portion by portion lang. Kung gusto mong may highlight ka lang dyan sa harap. Pero for this demo, gagawin natin glue yung buong hair natin. Tapos guys, yung colors niya is actually buildable. So kung tingin mo hindi pa masyadong vibrant yung pagka-blue or pagka-purple ng hair mo, pwede mo pa siyang patungan ng hair wax. Pero note that since wax nga siya, pag pinatungan mo pa siya ng more and more, mas lalong titigas yung hair mo, of course. Pero kasi sa mga boy, okay lang na matigas. Yung buhok baka kung anong naisip nyo sa matigas. So, ganito yung magiging kulay niya guys pag tatlong patong-patong. Tapos dito guys, pag meron kayong mga maliliit na hair dyan, pwede nyo rin siyang ilagay. Now guys, I know right now mukhang messy siya and parang kadiri kasi mukha siyang basa. Pero later on, pag natuyo siya, you will see it'll look good. Tsaka parang pinakulayan talaga siya. Tapos guys, di ba meron ng mga concept na ganito before? Like meron na yung hair chalk, tsaka meron na rin yung hairspray na may color. Pero guys, yung mga ganun kasi, hindi mo na siya mai-style kasi hindi mo na malalagyan ng wax yung hair mo. Eto, may kulay na and may wax ka pa. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you kung gaano kadali siyang maalis sa hands without using any soap. Ayan, natatanggal na siya agad. So guys, this is how it looks like kapag nilagay ko na yung blue colored hair wax sa aking buong hair. And what do you think? Bagay ba sa akin yung blue hair? Now guys, napansin ko na kapag sa buong ulo ko nilagay itong blue, mukhang sobrang tigas niya. At hindi lang pala mukha kasi sobrang tigas talaga siya best. Literal na matigas yung ulo ko. Also guys, once it dries up, kahit hawak-hawakan mo na siya, hindi na siya nagtatransfer sa iyong kamay. Tapos yung ibang mga colors, abangan nyo guys. Kasi from time to time, I will use them sa mga makeup tutorials ko and makeup transformations. But for the meantime, enjoyin ko muna itong blue hair ko and magsa-selfie muna ako.
Making me run more. Making me run more. No matter how my feet are swelling up, when I see a smile, I know it'll heal up. Again, I run. I just can't seem to stop it. Run. I just can't seem to help it. I keep trying every and I've done nothing. You're the only one that I'm so loving. Again, I run. It don't matter if I'm falling. I run. I'm hurting and I'm falling. Even if you're pushing me away, I'll accept this fate. I'll be okay. Don't tell me bye-bye. You make me cry. Love is a lie. Don't tell me bye-bye. The sky is all violet, and if I'm taking shotgun, let me ride it with you.